Hey guys, so I'm at the Hotel Metropole in Catalina Island, which is in California. We're off the coast of SoCal, somewhere out of Long Beach. It was a 15-minute helicopter ride to get in here. So this is my room. Nothing too crazy, but that view though, like, oh well, let me just show you that view again. So out my door, that's the view. It's kind of crazy. Anyway, fairly standard hotel room, nothing crazy. Got a bed and the usual accoutrements. You got a fireplace there and an air conditioner and a balcony, little tiny little balcony that looks out at some other buildings and a hillside out there. The ocean's just right over there. But yeah, this is the room. Not a whole lot of it to show you besides this, so sort of basic stuff. And ooh, that's a deep shower. Actually, it's a deep tub, a big tub shower thing. That's kind of nice. Cool. All right, well, thanks for checking this out. See you guys on the next one. Bye.